Yo, what's up? How you doing, guys? Siema, dzień dobry wszystkim. I'm Damian from The Monkeys, and today I would like to invite you for the little ride with me around the popular streets of Bali, Indonesia. Enjoy!
Wow, next to the mall is definitely busier in Kuta on the main street. It's also going to be rainy, but it's definitely much more busier. Check this out. So the weather is not the best today, but check this out. This is the junction of the central Kuta parking area, and everybody going to Kuta Dewi Sri Street, and seems like it's quite busy actually. I'm so sorry for the window, it's a little bit rainy. It's going to be raining, so wow, look at this. Situation. Check this out. Okay, heading to Legian and Seminyak. Let's see, just wanted to show you a little bit. Heading to Legian, but we're going into Seminyak direction today. Today a little bit different than usual. Well, Legian Street, this is part of the Legian, and Legian Street obviously here is like very quiet. Not really much has changed here. And this is exactly where we are heading right now, to Jalan Arjuna in Seminyak. There is the Horizon Hotel also for the Graham mate, that's for you. Well, I'm not gonna go inside, but I will show you area how it looks a little bit around. And well, this is the main street going to the 66 Seminyak beach, so you could possibly expect this is kinda busy, but well, it's actually not as that. I was hoping for 2 days before Christmas, because obviously it's Christmas coming. 2 days left, and well, seems like not in this area. In Kuta, yeah. Yesterday in Kuta, yeah. Anyway, here we go, mate. Horizon Hotel. Here where's these two ladies coming. They going, maybe they actually staying in the Horizon, so I will slow down and show you a little bit around. There's the Horizon Hotel, mate. Here we go, that's for you. It's already here. Check this out, what he's carried, this guy on the bike. I used to have a bintang in this restaurant once. Corner 66, few cars driving around. Here we go, this is the entrance to the 66 Seminyak beach. Parking area seems to be quite busy, but last time I was vlogged there, so today let's show something different. And this is the area of Bintang Supermarket, guys. Bintang Supermarket still under construction, but it's gonna be finished very soon. Whenever they're gonna open, I promise you guys, I will go and make a vlog there. So if I'm already here, let's have a look on the Gay Street, Gay District. It's actually not name of the street, it's not Gay Street, but many gay community is around. Come on, what's going on? Why they are not driving? And yeah, here's supposed to be many actually restaurants, bars, sports bars, many interesting places. Also some tourists here walking actually. Here we go, not so bad. Frankenstein here, also quite popular place. So many tattoo places, and of course sports bars, but also of course at night there is two very popular gay bars, because of gay community in Bali is actually quite strong. So yeah, and this street is actually busier than the Arjuna, which is big surprise for me. Seems like business slowly coming back to any kind of normal. I mean, it's still very far what we all remember, but it's definitely much better when I used to walk here. I don't walk here today because I didn't want it to make it too boring, but actually it's quite busy. Very big surprise. And somewhere here supposed to be gay bars, or maybe I already passed them. Oh no, here Bali Joe and Maxwell, they are open at night, and I believe they are open. We also make vlogs inside if you are interested. Also here there are some hotels like Courtyard by Marriott at the front, and used to be so many boutique shops, but they are closed actually. Lucky day, I used to vlog here also. Well, if you're watching me already for on daily basis and for a very long time, you know I actually cover almost every area of Bali, including these remote villages and the stuff. But these spots are popular and people watching. If I gonna repeating all the time Chandidasa or something, it's nice to watching once every few months or something, or once a year, but not every week, right? Anyway, Courtyard by Marriott, quite nice hotel here. Didn't stay in this one, but stayed in Nusa Dua, Courtyard by Marriott. Anyway, Marriott group's always nice, especially if you're a member, can travel a lot. And some other hotels. Yeah, here we go, guys. Nasi Jingo, Babi Nasi Jingo. I am 5,000 only, and there is the Som Tachu shop also. And traffic going to the Eat Street. Check this. Oh, have you missed this traffic in Seminyak? Wow! Heading into Eat Street. Not yet, but almost. This is the entrance. Check this out, this traffic in the Kaya Ayu Street. I was here like maybe 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, and I was talking about the walking here, literally here everywhere around, and it was so quiet, so empty. I was talking about why they are rice fields transform into residential area and they make so small streets. Maybe you remember. But today, now check this out. This is unbelievable traffic jam. I don't know what these people coming from and why it's actually so busy. At the front is some Irish guy, I think, with the Thai t-shirt, fighter, I think, also foreigner. But check this out, this amount of the cars and people. Actually only cars and motorbikes, only this couple walking here. Here is some foreigners, also couple lovely driving motorbike. But I don't know, what should I say? I'm nearly starting to regret as I come here today because stuck in the traffic. Check this out. It's quite busy, really, guys. I'm not joking, especially people going more into the opposite direction. This line where I'm driving is going slightly faster, but it's still very quiet. Even the massage girls waiting for you here. Well, I think this is because of many domestic tourists obviously coming to Bali. I don't think so as the foreigners. This guy may be at the front, he's the expats who living here, not likely tourists. But anyway, well, 2 days before Christmas, so definitely quite busy during the holidays, but obviously we have to wait. Well, probably everything gonna back to any kind of normal after the holidays in January, probably. But meanwhile, quite busy. And also here, foreigners. I'm going to Bamboo Blonde. Winnie would like to go there for sure with me if she will be here. Char is open currently. Well, this street is Kayuaya, or Kayuaya, yeah. And anyway, this street is popular for the many restaurants and the traffic, usually traffic like this, but supposed to be more people walking around. And traffic actually could be more bigger, but it's little bit a taste of the times how it was before. Many of you probably remember the times like this with the traffic jam. And yes, I could say happy to see the traffic. And I don't know what's going on here. It's worth to recording this guy trying to go there. I hope so he's not gonna hit my car, right? Alright, he made it. Alright, guys, just parked next to, what's the name? Wah Wah. Yeah, Wah Kitchen. I don't know this place actually. Wah. I think they have ribs and the burger, stuff like that. Anyway, it's open. If you are interested and you know this place, maybe you can recommend if it's worth to visit or not. Anyway, that's how it looks, the situation in Seminyak today. Just little bit lazy vlog. Was the weather not so good? I hope so you enjoy. Actually, I realize many of you actually enjoying my driving with me. This is little bit like equivalent to the live stream. Maybe in next year, in starting from January, I will start to making more live streams, maybe even once a week. Maybe you can comment below if you would like to watching the live streams, let's say every Saturday or every Sunday or every Friday. That's because probably 2-3 days. I'm not sure if I can do it on Saturday. Maybe Sunday probably alright, or Friday probably the best. Let me know in the comment section. Well, I will see you tomorrow. See ya. Take care. Thank you.